I forget the captain of this class, by the way. It's supposed to be Miftah, I guess, right? Yes. Okay. So would you mind? Miftah. Okay, this one. Okay, can you lead the pray first before we start? Okay.
Everybody, tomorrow before we start our course tonight, it's good to pray with our faith and pray start.
Okay, bismillah.
Okay, what's up?
Okay, thank you, Miftah. So before we start, I'm gonna call your name first. This one is Zaki, right?
Yes.
I at the beginning of our class, Zaki, I think always sit there, if I'm not mistaken. Is that okay then? The first one is Randy. You are, and Alan. Yes. Arya, I know. Mas Dede, and then Davin. Oh, Davin, you are. Fadil, I know. Ma'aruf. Yes. Miftah, Muhammad Zakir Roipik. You are. Yes, you are still with your seat, right? At the beginning of our class, you are always sitting there, right? Okay, nice. Salim, the one who always give me this one, right? And I almost forget, like almost forget. Yes, yes, please. And the last one is Singgi. Oh, you are. Okay, Singgi and Arya, right? You have the same vibe actually in face, I guess. All right, then let me just repeat again. Can I? Fadil, Roypik, Mas Dede, Salim, and then Arya, and then Davin, and then Singgi, right? Ma'ruf, right? Ma'ruf, right? Wait, where is it? Oh, yes, Ma'ruf. I thought it was like Ma'ruf. And Ersandi. No, Randy. Ersa. No, Randy, right? Okay, and then you are Alan. Nice, and you are Zaki, and this one is Miftah. All right, then. So today we are, no, it's tonight, actually. What is this? What is that? Oh, that one. Thank you, Fadil. I thought it was my pen. Okay. Does anybody have like this one? I have shared this kind of materials in our Google Classroom, right? Have you seen or downloaded this one? I upload this material this afternoon, actually. So like you have seen on the slide that today we are going to have small talks, right? What is small talks in bahasa? Okay, bahasa basi and bincang-bincang ya. But we are more into the small talk for professional success, like in the workplace setting ya. Jadi kita lebih ke small talks dalam setting a workplace. Okay, so but before we go there, I'm gonna look at your small talk. How good are you at small talk? So we have to do like warming up first before we start, right? So our warming up will be in Kahoot. So there are 10 questions about small talks. And then from there, I can see that how good are you at small talk? Do you understand? Kahoot is not the first time, right, in this class. We have ever played this one. So it's something like ice breaking, like warming up activities, right? Kayak pemanasan dulu kalau dalam uh, penjas biasanya kita pemanasan dulu ya sebelum mulai. So this one is our warming up. How good are you at small talks from this one actually? Yes, it's not your first time, right? The second time and the first time was won by Maruf. Yes, you still have one cue card, by the way. Where is it? Wait, it's supposed to be here. Okay, this one. Let's see. Wait, this one is supposed to be like this. The questions are very easy, by the way. So it's your speedness ya. Ini kecepatan juga ternyata sangat berpengaruh ya. Okay, this is the code, I guess, and I'm gonna share it. Does it work if you scan the barcode there? Okay. Yes, Arya, you just scan from there. Is it? Oh, berarti bisa ya? Alright, then. There is no voice here? Seven, 8, 9, 10, and 11, and the last one is supposed to be Zaki, I guess. Yes, please. Does it work? Okay. But I haven't seen you. It's just 11, I guess. So, are you there? Oh, that one. Okay. Okay, we just wait. Oh, tadi scanning nggak bisa? Okay. I'm just... Or maybe I just share it to the group, right? This one. Group. No, oh, this one, right? So you can click the link that I have shared from the group, I guess. Okay. Okay, finally. Now let's get started in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, how good are you at small talk? Okay, what is the main goal of a small talk? Where is it? It's 11. Okay then. So 3 people answers to argue. Is it to argue? I think small talk is not to argue. It's something like, do you know what is to argue? Untuk apa? Untuk mendebat gitu ya. Okay. So it's supposed to be to break the ice. And ma'ruf is the first one. Okay, next. What topic is safe for small talk? One person answers that the safe topic is about religions. Is it? Who answers that, by the way? Okay, the right is more into the weather. Tapi kalau di Indonesia kayaknya jarang kita small talknya tentang cuaca ya. Biasanya tentang apa? Kalau weather tuh biasanya di luar ya. Sorry? Hobby. Okay, nice. Beside hobby, what is our small talk topic for Indonesians actually? Beside hobby, lebih ke apa ya? Sorry? Meme? What meme actually? Okay, jokes, the trending jokes, right? Okay. Okay. I think small talk especially for the women, they are more into the apa biasanya kalau Indonesian. Apalagi kalau ibu-ibu kalau suka ngumpul sore hari ya. Itu di Indonesia biasanya gosip. Sometimes they do that one, right? Okay then. But when you find any what we call that foreigners, biasanya sih weather lebih universal ya. Kalau dia di European countries or US or UK. Alright then, so ma'ruf I guess still. Alright then, next. Number 3. When do people usually use small talk? Let me just guess it. When writing report is about Roy Pick, right? No. Salah mencet ya. Oh, meeting reports? Like what? Oh, I see. All right then. So we just use small talk when we meet new people, right? Tapi ada juga kita yang meet old people itu pakai small talk. Kira-kira saat apa? Pada saat apa kita berbahasa basi dengan teman lama kita ya? Pada saat kita ingin apa? Oke. Kayaknya satu server ya? Atau ada yang jawaban lain? Zaki, what is your opinions? Biasanya tuh teman kita lama basa-basi dalam situasi apa tuh? Pengen apa sih? Oh, main game. Oh, main game pakai basa-basi ya? Langsung aja nggak sih? Oke, but sometimes we can also use.
Nah, itu dia.
Oh gitu bahasa. Oh, small talknya gitu ya?
Yep.
Oke. Oke then. Oke deh. Maruf, I guess. Next. What kind of question is good for small talk? Okay. You can ask for how was your weekend? Who did you vote for? Nah, ini emang salah mencet ya. Satu ya. Well, what is the yellow one actually? Davin, no. It's supposed to be like Alan bukan ya. How can I forget you by the way? It's supposed to be Randy. Okay. Salah mencet ya. Who did you vote for in bahasa by the way? Dia menanyakan pilihan gitu ya, entah itu pilihan suatu pemilihan. Nah itu kan biasanya rahasia nih. Oke. Maruf is still the first one. Okay, next. Question number 5. Okay. Yes, it creates connections. Okay, 2% answer. It gives secret information. Is it? Did you use that? I mean, like when you want to ask for secret, then you use small talk. So it's supposed to be you, the yellow one, Fadil. Oh, does it work? Oh, Roy Pick. Oke, jadi ketika minta secret itu pakai small talk ya. Does it work? No, of course no ya. Okay, so it creates connections. Okay, next. Which place is common for small talk? It's more into at the party, right? Oh, ada yang di restroom ya? Siapa yang di toilet ya? Small talk di toilet. Oh, ini bukan di toiletnya, maksudnya di depan kacanya kali ya? Atau di mana? Di toiletnya? No, right? But 4 people answer this one, right? Let me guess. From your face, right? Arya, are you having this one in a restaurant? Yes. Alright then. Ini tapi yang paling booming ini ya, exam hall. Do you know like exam hall is possible for us to have a small talk? Okay. Ruang ujian kayaknya jarang ya. Okay, next item Maruf. Berarti yang kedua tadi siapa? Alan is restroom ya berarti ya? Okay. Karena dia menurun drastis ya. Okay, next. Which answer shows polite small talk? Okay, so this is the polite one. You look tired. What happened? Kayaknya kalau untuk orang baru lebih ke empatik ya. Tapi kan kita lebih ke apa tuh kalau how are you? Yang more apa ya? Kalaupun dia terlihat capek, kita coba tanyakan kabarnya dulu ya, jangan langsung nembak ya. Oke, so it's a A. Alright, next. Number 8. Which topic is not good for small talk? It's not good, right? Sometimes politics is very, what we call that? It's not really good. Apa? Tapi kalau di kedai Indonesia di warkop ya, politik is something like a must topic, topik yang wajib ya. Oke. Yang Jawa family actually gimana ya? Kalau untuk small talk family itu memang tapi kita yang light and positive. You know what I mean? Like when we are asking some question about family, but we just ask the light one. Kayak yang enteng-enteng aja ya. Kalau yang berat-berat tuh biasanya lebih ke private. Alright. Okay, Singgi, the second one. The last two. What is the best body language for small talk? Yes, smiling, right? Is the best body language. Do you know how Indian people like saying yes by using their body language? Is it something like that one? Like what Miftah says. It's almost like geleng-geleng for us, right? But for them, it's yes, I guess. Kalau misalnya no gimana? No gimana? Apakah gini? Kayak kebalik ya? Kayaknya kalau di kita universal, maksudnya kalau kayak gini kan no ya. Di hampir seluruh dunia, but in India it's almost different, right? Oke. Nah, berarti nanti kalau kita when we meet the Indian client dan when we want to use the body language and it's yes, don't forget about it, right? Oke. Yes. Gimana? Gimana, Miftah? Can you just nodding your head? Okay. Alright then. Next. The last one, I guess. Oh, Salim, the runner-up, I guess. Where is Salim, by the way, here? Oh, that one. Yes, the last one. Help teamwork. Okay, build trust, right? Besides it can create connection, it also can build a trust. Okay. The third place goes to, okay, Salim. I thought you were the first one. Singgi is the second one, and the Maruf juara bertahan. Oh really? Oh okay. So you have yes 3 yes. I thought it's not Maruf, but Maruf, right? Okay, so you have 2 cue cards, by the way. And we hope that you forget about it, right? Kalau lupa nggak ini ya, nggak jadi. Oh ada catatan nih mas. Oke. Poinnya? Do we need to see the points? Kemarin di mana ya? Di sini ya, ringkasan sesi ya. Dapat bukan ya? Kemarin di mana ya lupa. Di sini kali ya? Oh iya benar. Fadil kayaknya pengen banget ya. You wanna see the... Okay. Performa. Mana ya? Where is it? Oh, this one. Nih, semua itu jawab benar sebenarnya. Cuman kecepatan ya. Roy pick, it's yours. Nih, ini semua 100. Cuman karena kecepatannya saja yang berkurang ya. Oke. So, from this warming up, kita sudah sedikit dapat gambaran tentang small talk itu sendiri ya. So we back again here, I guess. The ice breaking here. Alright then. So the next one is about our training goals. So when we are learning about small talks, kita berusaha untuk membiasakan mulai melakukan percakapan dengan lebih percaya diri ya. Again, when we learn about something perfectly, our confidence itu secara tidak langsung akan menambah ya. Ya enggak? Karena salah satu yang tidak menyebabkan percaya diri adalah ketidakpercayaan kita terhadap apa yang kita sampaikan when we are speaking in English. So, that is the first one. And the second one, by learning about small talks, we hope that it can create or improve our interpersonal communication. What is komunikasi interpersonal? Ternyata small talk bisa meningkatkan komunikasi interpersonal. What is that? Interpersonal, salah satu dari 7 kecerdasan. Nah, interpersonal ini adalah kecerdasan dalam bernegosiasi. Very good. Selain itu, berkomunikasi kan? Sometimes we need some strategies to communicate with a person or people. So, by using correct strategy, it can create, tadi apa kalau di Kahoot, small talk itu can create connections, right? And it can also build the trust from our client or other people. So, let's see how we can make a good small talk tonight. And the last one, ini juga bisa menciptakan suasana kerja yang kolaboratif, hangat, dan profesional. Oke, so, seperti yang sudah kita bahas, sebenarnya kalau small talk sendiri itu adalah semacam percakapan singkat, ringan, dan apa ya, dia semacam bridging ya, sebelum kita masuk ke inti, kayak apa ya maksudnya. When we want to greet people, then we can use this one before we discuss about our first agenda. Nah, tujuannya pertama icebreaker, membangun kenyamanan, terus juga membuka network ya. When people trust us, then we can open network. Nah, ini juga membangun relationship and then a professional image, right? When we have good small talk, then it can create our professional image, right? Kayak kita tuh bisa terlihat approachable. What is approachable? Something like what? Sorry? Lebih dekat, and then what else? Apa tadi? What did you say? Oh, I thought it was lebih mudah dikenal. Oke. Lebih mudah dipahami. So we are something like people who are easygoing, right? Kayak kan ada tuh orang yang kayak sulit banget dijangkau ya, didekati. Nah, ini kita dengan menggunakan small talk yang tepat akan memberikan kesan ke orang bahwa kita tuh approachable and komunikatif. Nah, ini dia nih, kita coba, belum ya. Mengapa small talk penting? Tadi sudah dibahas ya, meningkatkan trust, and then mencairkan ketegangan when we have a meeting. And then membantu kita menjadi lebih natural untuk dalam berpresentasi. Terus juga menunjukkan soft skill. Nah, ini nih yang soft skill yang jarang ya. Most of us are good in hard skill, but soft skill itu memang harus diasah terus ya. Tidak bisa dipelajari sekali atau 2 kali. Nah, menurut studi dari Harvard Business Review, orang yang mahir dalam small talk, dia akan lebih mudah mendapatkan promosi dan peluang baru. Yeah, actually it's almost makes sense, right? Now we can learn how to small talk from socially awkward situations. Wait, is it? How is it by the way? Oh, linknya? Okay, this one.
Hello, I'm Harry Shiskan.
You got it. Okay, let's have a look.
This is SAS Survival Guide, the show that helps you fake a genuine human connection. This week, small talk. On paper, it sounds simple. Make polite conversation about an unimportant or uncontroversial matter.
So, Syria.
But in practice, it's less about making conversation and more about avoiding those dreaded awkward silences. An awkward silence is like a black hole. If you fall into one, then time slows down. It's like that bit in Interstellar where you check your watch and think, how is this film still not over? That's why we come up with the SAS Survival Guide to Small Talk, to help you fill any hole no matter how big or how big. Step 1, ask questions. Lots of them. The more the merrier.
How are you?
Yeah, fine.
How was your weekend?
Yeah.
Have you seen Interstellar? What's that on your face?
What?
On your face? Just
It makes you seem like an active participant, even though you're putting the onus on them to keep the conversation going.
okay, good.
Step 2, do your research.
Okay.
Try to find out every tiny little detail of their life. There are several ways you can do this. Social media.
You know,
You're tapping their phone, going through their bins and confidential waste. Once you've gathered enough intel, you can casually slip a few details into the conversation.
So your phone bill was huge last month.
Yeah, tell me about it. Wait, what?
Yeah? What's Babe Station?
Step 3, the Ford.
Tawan ya, the
If you're
fourth
randomly
one.
running out of things to talk about, try the Ford technique. Ford is a handy acronym to help you remember 4 possible topics of conversation. Family.
Is it true every guy wants to sleep with their mum?
What? Occupation.
Hey, what's this gap in your employment history?
Just my seat. Where are you getting this from? Recreation.
Have you ever taken focus?
Dreams.
Have you ever had a dream within a dream within a dream?
Step 4,
Okay.
Socratic method. Named after classic Greek philosopher something Socrates, the Socratic method is a line of questioning designed to stimulate thinking, challenge assumptions, and annoy parents using one simple 3-letter word. Why? I think I might go now.
Why?
Because you're scared of me.
Why?
Because you feel you're a sociopath.
Why?
Because
Why? Why? Why?
keep saying it again and again and again and again, and the other person will be fully thinking you're having a meaningful discussion.
Why?
So there you have it, the SAS Survival Guide.
Okay.
You can talk to anyone, even strangers with candy.
Why?
Because our tips are foolproof.
Why?
Because we got them from the internet.
Why?
Because we were asked to.
Why?
Because, well, that is annoying.
Why?
If you've got any tips,
Okay. Actually, what we have just seen here is not a good small talk, right? Jadi ini kebalikannya sebenarnya ya. Jadi apa yang ingin kita lihat dari video tadi adalah dari satir, kayak lebih ke satir kan berarti ke skill nyata. Like you see here, SAS. So what is SAS? Survival, socially awkward, apa tadi? Socially awkward situation. Jadi katanya di situ dia ingin memaparkan bagaimana konten satir dari video BBC Brit itu diubah menjadi keterampilan nyata yang rapi, profesional dan langsung bisa dipakai oleh kita. Nah, pertama tadi kan ada 4 step ya. Ask questions. Jadi sebenarnya pesan seriusnya itu adalah kita harus pancing lawan dengan pertanyaan yang ringan dan relevan. So, kalau yang tadi kan enggak ya, langsung ke pertanyaan yang cukup berat. Nah, itu step yang pertama. Yang kedua, do your research. Pesannya apa? Kalau yang tadi kan, sebenarnya kita bisa ambil dari yang tadi, itu risetnya, salah satunya kita dari mana tuh? From the sosmed, like LinkedIn, right? And then what else? Tapi nggak harus dari mereka, apa sih namanya? Rubbish bin ya? Apa sih? Tempat sampahnya si orang yang mau kita ketemuin itu ya? Itu sebenarnya pesan seriusnya seperti itu. So we have to do a research. Is it the same with like stalking? Have you ever heard about it before? Stalking? Okay. Is it the same with that? Tapi kalau stalking lebih ke ini ya? Apa sih namanya? Tujuannya lain biasanya ya. Okay, so you just do the research. And then after that, this one is the technique that you can use in your small talk. At least ada salah satu dari teknik Ford ini ya. We can ask about his family or occupations. What is occupation in bahasa pekerjaan, right? And then recreation, rekreasi, right? And then also dreams. It's actually not mimpi, but dreams is more into what? Lebih ke kalau dalam percakapan antara klien tuh lebih ke visi, tujuan ya kan, kayak goal. So we can also ask the dreams. And the last one, we can use the Socratic method. Like kalau di video kan pakai why ya, ternyata itu nggak boleh. Kita kalau menurut Socratic itu menggunakan dari what and how. So we can use the question untuk menggali empati itu dengan what and how, but not with why. So that's the 4 steps. Sorry? How apa nanti kita lihat ya. Pertanyaannya tentu, nah ini nih ada simulasi antara IT Indonesian ID and then client from the China. sekaligus analisis step by step dari yang 4 itu ya. So, who wants to be the Andy and Mr. Zhang? It's supposed to be from my right and from my left. Nobody wants to be that? Then I will see the numbers like randomly and please see it for me. So, number 5. Who is number 5, Fadil, actually? Number 5. Yes. Davin is supposed to be like Andy, right? And then nanti kita harus dari sebelah kiri lagi ya. Number 9. Who is number 9? Oh yes, it's a left and the right. So Davin will be Andy or the IT staff, and then Zaki will be the Mr. Zhang or the client. So the setting is, this is your meeting online pertama ya, antara IT support dari Indonesia, yaitu Andy dengan klien dari China. Tujuannya tentu membangun hubungan sebelum diskusi teknis proyek. So are you ready? Andy is the first one, right? Okay, in count of 3, we can start. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good afternoon, Mr. Zhang. It's great to finally meet you. How was your last week in Singapore? I saw a video the summit there.
Okay. And then,
Oh yes, it was very interesting. Many new idea about AI and cloud integration. The weather was hot. So
okay, the weather was hot though. Okay. Good afternoon, Mr. Zhang. It's a great to finally meet you here. Meet you online. How was your trip last week to Singapore? Nah, berarti di sini kita bisa lihat sudah ada si Andi itu melakukan riset ya dari LinkedIn atau dari agenda research. So, jadi sudah ada do your research and then sehingga dapat membuka efeknya obrolan yang relevan dan bukan basa-basi generic. Apa itu basa-basi generic? Something like you are asking about someone's conditions, right? Itu betternya kamu sudah ada research terkait yang benar tapi ya. Karena kalau nggak benar, wah ini udah pusing nih. Ini di awal sudah salah sih informasinya. So Andy is do a research and Mr. Zhang memberikan apa di sini? Respon positif dan memberikan hook, right? Dari riset yang kita coba cari dan kita sampaikan, ternyata responnya positif dan memberikan hook. Apa itu hook? Iya, pancingan. Artinya dari hook yang diberikan Mr. Zhang itu, ini kita bisa melanjutkan apa di situ katanya. Di sini kalian bisa memilih lanjut ke proyek langsung atau bisa mengeksplor lebih dalam untuk small talk dari hooknya itu. It's all yours ya, tergantung waktu. Misalnya mau lebih diintenskan di small talk-nya yang terkait AI and cloud, atau bisa langsung ke proyeknya. Nah, that's the first one. And the next one, still. Ya, Davin masih ada? Yes.
Speaking on the summit, what was the most exciting idea you go back from the season?
Oke. Mr. Zhang.
I think the part about AI, having customer service was the most useful for us.
Okay.
China is moving very fast in that area.
In that area. Okay. That's very
That's very insightful. In Indonesia, we are also exploring AI for internal user experience. By the way, how do you see these technologies for the company over this year?
Oke, so we start from Andy first. Di situ sudah ada step yang keberapa nih kira-kira? Yang pertama tadi ya, teman-teman, ask questions. Pertanyaan ringan tapi relevan. Berarti yang mana tuh? What was the most exciting idea you brought back from decisions? And then Socratic-nya yang tadi what was itu ya? Oke. Sehingga dari itu si klien memiliki ruang untuk berbagi insight. Sehingga dari situ akan menumbuhkan trust ya. Oke, terus Mr. Zhang-nya ini juga sudah memasukkan occupation. Kira-kira di bagian kata yang mana ya? Occupation is like pekerjaan, right? So from Mr. Zhang's sentence, which one is the occupations? Okay, AI helping customer service was the most useful for us. Okay, and then si Andi juga menggunakan teknik verb, fourth itu ya, yaitu occupation and dreams. Kalau dreams ya, dari kalimat Andi, can you see that? This one, right? How do you see this technology supporting your company's goal? Right? So company's goal is the dreams. Di sini katanya Socratic, oh ada Socratic methodnya juga. How do you see? How do you see? It's something like membuka obrolan lebih dalam tapi tanpa kayak memaksa gitu ya. How do you see? Kalau yang memaksa gimana nih? Can you explain more gitu ya? Nah, you can use how do you see actually. The last one I guess. Nah, ini masih ada Mr. Zhang and Andy.
Mr. King Andy.
Yes.
Yes, our dream is to integrate AI into our customer support platform. It will help us serve customers.
Okay. It help.
That sounds like good feature systems. I access. Also, do you all like trains or do you work with something more?
Sports. Okay. Mr. Zhang, it's your turn.
Wait,
Actually,
I play badminton every weekend.
helps. It helps me.
Me relax.
Okay, it helps me relax. Oke. Nah, ini si Mr. Zhang sudah menggunakan recreation. Ternyata from this dialogue we can find the technique from fourth. Ini nggak mesti semuanya dipakai. We can choose one of them, like family, occupations, or recreations. Oke. Masih ada ternyata ya. Andy, still there? Oh, badminton?
Oh, badminton.
That's
Very good.
popular. Okay,
Yes, I will love that.
let's
Keep it in my mind. Yeah, let's keep it in mind.
keep it in mind.
Okay. Shall we go to the project update?
Okay. Shall we go to the project updates? Okay. All right. So this is the last one. In small talks, kita coba jangan untuk menginterogasi. And then yang pertama itu kita berikan pertanyaan yang relevan. Biasanya dengan cara meriset ya. Bisa dari LinkedIn atau event atau dari updatean perusahaan. So we can open with the powerful. And then ada fourth, and then ada Socratic method. Cuman yang terakhir ini, small talk yang baik. Okay. That's what, actually, that's all I guess. Yes. Small talk is the big step to building strong connections, right? Okay. And I want you to practice small talks every day, even just like 2 minutes. Yes, Roypik, can you do that with Fadil? Like in English, small talks? Kayaknya kalau udah ketemu sering jarang ya. Right to the point. Okay, now I want you to open something like this one. Okay, where is it? This one and this one. Okay. Okay, this is your turn. We are now in 12, right? So I'm gonna divide you into 2. So we have 6 couples. And every couples itu pertama nanti bisa pilih salah satu dari konteks. Kayak misalnya konteksnya troubleshooting and then new feature request and others. After we have made a couples, and then you have to make a dialogue yang seperti tadi ya, dari topik yang disajikan. Nah, that's all I guess. After that, after you type the dialogue from your laptop, is it okay not using your hand? It's typing, right? Finally typing, right? Okay, and you can upload it to Google Classroom by the way, after all. Nah, pasangannya mungkin di sebelahnya aja ya. Fadil with Roypik, Mas Dede and Salim, and then Arya with Davin, and Singgih with Ma'ruf, and then Randy with Alan, and Alfat or Miftah? Miftah with Zaki. Nah, siapa yang dapat topik apa? Itu kira-kira gimana? Atau kita gacha ya? Oke. Gacanya pakai spinner aja lah ya. Oke. So we start from the right or from the left? Right. So I invite whether it is Fadil or Roypik to spin this one. Which topic are you getting for this one? So Roypik or Fadil, who spin this? Pencet ya. Okay. This one. What number are you got for this one?
7.
So number 1 is your topic, right? The next one, Salim or Mas Dede maybe? Okay. Okay. This which one? Okay.
Macam ni.
So Salim and Mas Dede is number 5. Okay, number 5 is your topic. And I invite Davin or Arya. Okay. Okay, for this one. Which one is yours? You can spin it. Okay. It's supposed to be number. Be careful. Okay. So you got number 2, right? Arya and Davin, and you are Singgi. You are number. Is it 6, 3, or 4? Okay. It's number 3. Yes. Okay, so Singgi and Maruf is number 3, and I invite for the last one, I guess, Alan. Yes, please. Number 4 or number 6? Not yet. Okay. 6 ya? Bukan 9 kan? It's supposed to be 6. Okay, 4. So, Miftah and Zaki is number 6. Okay then. Alright then. I'm gonna share like this one. Wait a moment. So, you can see the, what we call that, small talk in practice, I guess. From GCR. So please download the question from there because I am about to send it there. Okay. Small talk in practice. Okay. Please download the, what we call that? In GCR actually. Oh iya, ini sudah ada beberapa bantuan untuk Gambits. You know Gambits? What is Gambits? Gambit is something like some words that you can use to make a sentence. So untuk icebreaker, ini bisa digunakan yang ini ya. You can choose one of them atau di luar ini juga boleh. Kalau untuk icebreaker. And then for asking some question, you can use this. It's all yours. And then when you want to do the research in your dialogue, you can use one of the sentence here. Atau bisa dari luar ya. Lagi-lagi disesuaikan dengan topik yang teman-teman dapat. And then untuk fourth juga bisa gunakan ini. Oke, jadi nanti dibuatnya itu di bawahnya. Jadi di bawahnya itu di halaman berapa ya nih? 3 ada semacam yang ini ya. So you can write the context. If you want to see the sample, the sample of the answer, you can see from here. Kalau mau melihat referensi jawabannya, ada di sana ya, contoh dialognya. Do you have any questions? No? So, can we go for about like 15 minutes? So we can practice now. Okay, just go with that first. Topiknya tadi nomor 6 ya? Number 6 itu apa? Okay, this one, right? Okay, in B part. So it's all about data security concern. Sorry? Data security concern. So your client is worried about their data security concern. So just it's all yours. Miftah maybe to be the IT staff, and then Zaki will be the client, right? All right.
What? Let's have
So it's yours, right?
Yes.
And you can make the questions, the answers from the dialogue. Di halaman 3 ya berarti nanti. Okay, that one. Alright, just download first. Sorry?
Only
You cannot download it? Oh wow, how could it be? Can you download it?
print.
Oh,
Print.
oh di print. Okay. Oh, that one, right? Okay, it can be downloaded. Can you download it? No? Really? This one, right? Okay. Oh, print dia sekarang ya. Okay. Okay. So what topic do you get from there? Yes. No, it's for now, and we can practice it tonight. But just make the dialogue first. Okay. Do you understand what to do? Alan and Randy, right? Okay. So what topic do you get? Number 4. Okay. Nice. Pastikan semua di dalam dialog itu punya yang ini ya, yang 4 itu. Fourth, Socratic, and then do your research and ask questions, right? Okay, nice. Okay. Have you downloaded? The lembar kerja sudah di-download ya? Belum ya? Is it? Oh, udah. Okay. So, what topic do you get for your dialogue? Okay. Just make sure that your dialogue have this one, right? Ask question, do your research, fourth method, and Socratic, right? Okay. Topiknya mau apa? Sudah ditentukan kan? Tadi, Davin, you got what number? Okay, so you will make a dialogue based on that topic, and just make sure that your dialogue contains the 4. This one, right? Again, scroll up. Again, scroll up, right? Like that, scroll down. This one. Okay. Don't forget the 4th, Socratic, and research. Okay. So Mas Dede is going to make from there, from the notepad, not from the. Oh, nanti. Okay. So what topic do you get from your dialogue? For your dialogue? That's the topic number 4. No, number 5. All right then. Just make sure that your dialogue contains this one, right? Contains icebreaker, ask question, do your research, fourth method, and Socratic method. And also the professional closing. Just make it sure that, oh, this is the sample answer. Okay. All right then. Yang jelas harus ada 4 itu ya. Sorry. Tuh 2, 3, 4, 5. Ada 5 aspek. Alright. Is everything alright? No? Yes. Yes, that's it. So you are number 1. Troubleshooting. It's number 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So who wants to be the IT staff? Are you to be the client? Oh, IT staff. Alright. Just make your dialogue with 4. Oh, no. With 5. Just make it sure that your dialogue contains this one, right? Wait, this one. This one. So in your dialogue, you must have this one, and this one, and this one. Okay. Yes. Yes, that one. Okay.
Kalau IT berarti kalau klien ya ini kayaknya kan ada security.
Do your research and this one icebreaker.
Aku udah nemu jawabannya di sini. Barang ini kayak ini. Dari asal.
This tavern confidence. Then you can create your own hook, right? But related to the topic. What kind of hook? Have you got any hooks from your first dialogue? No, I'm good. Hooknya apa? Udah dapat? Kayak ngada-ngada aja hooknya. Tapi yang relevance and light. Just make sure that the question is relevant and light. Jadi hooknya tuh yang kayak enteng dan relevan sama topik. Oke.
Nih yang kedua asking question.
Okay, the second one is asking questions. Actually, this one is like the hook there. So you're. Oh, okay. So the first one is icebreaker. Icebreaker is like we are asking about our clients' conditions, right? And after that, you must make any hook from your client. Just make sure that the hook is relevant and light based on the topic. And the topic is like, what is your topic about?
Security.
Oh, data security. Okay. So maybe you can create your own hook with the data security system.
Yes.
Kira-kira hooknya apa ya? Atau di luar itu juga boleh, kayak misalnya yang kalau dicontoh itu kan kayak how was your trip to Singapore last week? And then diikuti oleh apa tadi? Langsung ke AI sama cloud ya.
Ya,
Nah itu boleh ngada-ngada hooknya. Yang ini asking questionnya itu berarti menanyakan itu ya, mengajukan pertanyaan atau klarifikasi kebutuhan. Kayak data security system itu gimana biasanya?
ini di icebreaker.
Nah itu kadang emang icebreaker itu ada yang bilang itu hanya menanyakan client condition atau bisa menyatu dengan ini hook. Nah itu dia. So you can use both actually. So you will be the client? No. You are the client. That's why Zaki is. So have you met it like data security system? Kalau langsung ke kebutuhan sih ini ya, langsung ke proyek dong berarti. Proyeknya itu apa sistem keamanan apa tadi cyber ya? Cyber security system. Oke. Kira-kira apa tuh ya?
Kekhawatiran klien kayak approaching from mungkin di kedepannya wah ini bakal ada permasalahan kayak
Oh, predicting ya. Bagian apa yang bermasalah dalam data. Oke. You can search some information from Google, I guess, like some hooks related to data security system. Have you got the hook from your dialogue? No, not yet. This one is like your icebreaker, right? But you know how to make the hook, right? Not yet. You can see the PPT, by the way, if you are confused. Have you downloaded the PPT? Yes. If we see from here, the hook is about apa di sini? Yang AI and cloud itu ya? Yang pertama itu
Yang lihat dari LinkedIn ini.
yes. Oke, dia itu berhubungan dengan kliennya apa? Dia kan ini tentang oh ini first time ya. Berarti ini dia nih. Nah, ini kira-kira yang berkaitan dengan topik yang sudah ditentukan apa ya? Topiknya tentang apa? Fitur aplikasi baru. Is it?
Panduan menggunakan aplikasi baru.
Nah, itu kira-kira hook yang berkaitan dengan itu apa ya? Aplikasi apa? Oh, aplikasinya masih umum ya, berarti bebas sih. It's all yours, actually. Panduan tuh biasanya ditanyakan apa ya? Terkait panduan aplikasi baru. Maksudnya dia menanyakan aplikasi baru penggunaannya. Oh, berarti ini kayak semacam ini ya? Apa sih? Menanyakan apa ya? Feedbacknya ya. Fitur yang barunya tuh gimana? Kekurangannya apa gitu ya? Nah, hooknya itu bisa dicari di googling ya. Kira-kira hook yang berkaitan dengan fitur baru terkait sebuah sistem tuh apa? Oke. Maruf and Singgi.
I must fully
Sorry? You have to contains for at least that is fourth Socratic, right? Icebreaker and what? And have you seen the sample answer? Like sample of the answer, I think you can download it from the link yang paling bawahnya nggak sih? Oh iya, di situ ada tuh. Atau di contohnya, itu hooknya apa? Yang dialog yang udah jadi. Hooknya?
sistem update.
System update. How's everything happen after system update yesterday? Oke, berarti itu udah masuk ke ask question ya. And then icebreaker-nya nanya kabar sih ya pasti ya. Oke, you can go with that. Don't forget to use the fourth, right? Yang ketiga apa nih? Yang fourth ya. Oh yes, do your research first. Okay. I'm good. How about you and your teams? No, you do not need to use comma there. But our customer needs new feature for ini customer-nya banyak atau dikit? Banyak ya? Customer kami. Berarti banyak ya? Enggak, dikit. Our customer-nya berapa orang? Satu atau banyak?
Banyak sih.
Oh, kalau banyak berarti nggak perlu pakai ini S. Berarti customer yang pakai S karena banyak kan. Our customers need new feature for our accountant dashboard. How about you and your teams? Wait. Okay. How's everything at the sales department lately? Okay. Mana nih? Okay. Just make the simple one as your client condition and then you can ask the questions. Contoh apa? Yes, you can see the sample answer. Number 2 is good actually. Sample number 2 is nice. This one.
I don't serve.
Jadi ini belum
Okay. If we see from here, yes. Kinda. Lumayan apa? It's kinda busy. I guess. Okay. Do you? Okay. So your client is bro, right?
Yes.
Okay. How's your day? I think. All right then. Just pretend that the client is the first time for you to meet them, right? Okay. Okay. I am good, and now I'm not really busy because I already finished half of my job training. Okay. Enggak harus sih sebenarnya. Do your research can be the second, or even di satuin jadi icebreaker juga nggak apa-apa. Kayak do your research tuh kayak hi Alfad, how is it going? Terus langsung misalnya ngada-ngadanya apa ya researchnya itu? Misalnya kamu baru pulang dari ini ya gitu. Nah itu udah 2. Alfad, how is it going? It seems that you are just coming from Europe last week. Nah itu udah 2 tuh. Icebreaker and do your research.
If it's like this,
Sorry?
most of the days quite busy.
Quite busy, isn't it?
I'm trying to know about Mr. Zaki if he is busy
With
or
some
not.
projects, right?
Yes.
Biasa. With some project. Taunya dari mana tuh biasanya? Dari SG mungkin ya? Atau dari mana? Kalau busy-nya itu sedang melakukan project, itu udah masuk research kan?
Kalau misal kenal kan kita udah tahu klien, terus kita udah punya kontak, kita udah mungkin sebelumnya udah pernah bernegosiasi,
Oh ini konteksnya udah ini sebelumnya?
ya,
Bukan baru pertama kali ya?
atau baru pertama kali. Soalnya kan kalau misal
Ini tuh stalking ini barang.
Jatuhnya stalking ya? Tapi
ini klien kalau misal keamanan data, kayak misal ini mungkin POV-nya kita lagi udah ada project, terus habis itu projectnya itu lagi berjalan dan
Oke.
kita lagi berdiskusi So, mungkin dari dialog ini kayak mungkin aku udah tahu uh, pengen tahu Bang Jack itu sibuk apa enggak, maksudnya lagi sibuk atau enggak. I not really busy because I feel so because this morning, nah itu kan dari itu aku udah tahu nih ternyata Bang Jack lagi nggak sibuk. Dia bilang udah menjelaskan terus di sini aku sambung udah sudah asik kayak bicara terus
Oke.
kayak udah ngejagoan lagi kayak project kita tuh hampir finish kayak aku sebagai orang itu melihat wah nggak dijagoan lagi kan saja project kita udah finish.
Oke.
Udah kelar gitu. Terus
How is it going?
we are already at some good state right now. How it's going? Jadi
Oke.
kayak langsung di
Berarti ini yang ketiga ya. Answer the questions. Yang how is it going itu. Udah masuk ketiga nih, langsung aja ke fourth. Atau Socratic ya. It's been like icebreaker and it's been like the research because you have known ya sebelumnya. Oke. And then yang ketiga apa? Berarti answer questions. Yang kayak menanyakan tentang topiknya itu kan. Lagi on stage, how is it going? Berarti udah 3 tuh. Tinggal masuk yang ke Socratic sama fourth. Selesai. And you can be the first couple to perform. How is it going? Are you still stuck with the first one? Oh, udah.
Apakah sesuai sama yang di sini?
Not really. You can also get from the other sentence from there. Ini hanya referensi doang kok. Tapi kalau ada yang relate, you can take from there. Mana? Udah.
Udah tadi di sini.
Oh, udah.
jadi pakai pindah laptop.
Yes, very good. Sales have increased significantly lately. Ini udah masuk, ini sih icebreaker udah ada. Do some research juga udah ada. Maksudnya kayak udah tahu sebelumnya bahwa
Dia bekerja di.
Oke. Terus and ask question-nya mana? Ask question-nya ada di mana? Situ ya. Berarti udah masuk, bisa masuk sini nih. Fourth sama Socratic. Kan ada 3 ya. Oke. Yang fourth nggak mesti keempatnya ya. Salah satunya juga bisa. Oke. Fourth and Socratic. Oh ya, yang Socratic, do you still remember what is Socratic? Kayak ini tuh udah udah ke dalam ke pertanyaan ke project utama, tapi yang dimulai dari what sama how ya. Tadi topiknya apa?
Penggunaan aplikasi baru.
Oh, fitur baru tadi ya. Nah, itu bisa menggunakan dari what atau how. How do you feel with our new feature? Nah, itu udah masuk pertanyaan Socratic sih. Setelah itu baru closing. Oh, ini cuma sampai Socratic ya. Closingnya kan ada ya. Bagaimana closingnya di bagian, this one. This one, right? So you can use one of them. Yang relatable ya. Are you done? Not yet. Sudah sampai mana? Sudah sampai fourth? Oh, oke. Tapi dialognya udah sampai ini, Socratic sama Ford. Oh, nice.
Harusnya.
Pakai ini nggak closing, professional closing? Oh yes, that's it. Yes. Alright, that's nice. I think you will be the first one, right, to be performed. Are you ready to be the first one to perform live? Gas. Ya gas ya. Oh good, me and my team has been going well. Once everything is else. Okay. Ini udah masuk banyak ya. Udah masuk ke icebreaker and then do research, right? Yes. And then ask question. Terus ini masuk ke fourth-nya udah. Fourth atau Socratic? Fourthnya it's all nggak mesti semua sih.
Oh, nggak harus semua.
All four. Well, sorry? No, just one of them or even two. Yes?
We can pick one.
Yes, you can pick one of them. Or two or three. Okay. How is it going? Where is that dialogue? Can I see first? Oh, this one. Oh, okay. But I have a small question. Small questions. What happens? Or can I help you? Oke, berarti ini udah ada icebreaker-nya. Terus kayak research-nya, duo research tuh kayak oh, after regarding that matter, I have researched 3 months ago. After I get calculate with my team. Berarti itu adalah research-nya. Starting from this month is okay. Berarti ini ya, ask question-nya berarti gabung aja ya? Ask question-nya?
Ask question-nya ini sih apa namanya?
I have a small question. No.
Yes, I want to know what.
Okay, nice. Berarti dia bisa masuk ke fourth ya? Fourth sama Socratic. Fourth, you can choose one of them actually. Bisa occupation doang atau tentang yang dream atau tentang yang family or others. Bisa satu aja sih fourth-nya. And then fourth itu berarti question yang terkait topik. Kayak udah masuk ke topik utamanya. Untuk yang fourth itu ya. Occupation sih biasanya. Kalau untuk setting yang ini ya. Oh iya, bisa tuh. Occupation sama dreams dari ini. Project kedepannya atau perusahaannya. Tapi bagus juga tuh kalau untuk lebih friendly diakhiri dengan recreation, like asking them to like olahraga bersama itu kan bisa ya, yang kayak tadi dicontoh. Oke, but don't forget about this one, the Socratic method, yang harus ada pertanyaan how sama what ya. Oke. 3 lagi berarti. Ini udah sampai closing ya? Udah sampai closing.
Belum. Fourth masuk ke
Fourth. Fourth yang occupation ya? Occupation atau dream? Oke, nice. It's okay. Bingung berarti bagus. Bereaksi ya.
berarti dia tuh nerjemahinnya gitu loh.
Oh, oke.
Kan dari kata-kata udah bahasa Indonesianya nerjemahinnya. Tapi kayak naik.
Yes, of course. Kan ada do research ya. You can do your googling actually. Can I see your dialogue first? Okay, this one I hope your week has been going smoothly so far. I noticed that. Wah, ini udah 2 nih. Dalam satu ini udah 2. Ada icebreaker-nya sama research. Karena kan I noticed that you have been some issues. Oke, berarti ask question yang ringan. How is it going on your side? Udah 3 itu.
Apa namanya? Sering macet lah gitu.
Macet.
Ya, enggak lah. Setelah beberapa kebanyakan pertanyaan.
Oh, ini udah masuk ke topik ya?
Iya, udah masuk
Oke.
ke topik.
Berarti itu bagian apa?
Ini nanti IT staff-nya ngecek. Pernah
Nah itu kalau dalam itunya masuk ke fourth method or Socratic? Masuk yang bagian apa tuh? Socratic atau yang fourth? Fourth FORD. This one right? Atau belum ada keduanya? This one right? This one or this one? Yang bagian
ini masuk ke sini sih.
Socratic, oke. Jadi nggak apa-apa. Kalau Socratic kan di urutan 4 ya, tapi menjadi 3, it's okay. Fourth itu nggak mesti
sama-sama bisa ya.
bisa di mana aja tempatnya. Oke, nice. Berarti 2 lagi ya. Fourth juga udah. Fourth itu juga udah dialog belum ya? Berarti tinggal 2. This one and this one. Professional closing, don't forget.
Okay.
Okay, nice. So I think we have to see one of the couples because I have seen that one of you is ready. Singgi and Ma'ruf, I guess. Do you wanna practice now? All right then. I think everybody must practice at the end. But you have to submit that one to GCR, right? The dialogue.
Did we need to submit both or only one?
Both of you actually. Both of you. Just submit first.
Submit with PDF file.
It's all yours. With PDF or with the Word, it's okay.
Yes.
What? I can't access it. Okay, this one. Okay, when Ma'ruf and Singgi are done with the submitting, then you can practice it in front of us. All right. Speak. Oh, kalau bisa talk langsung nggak apa-apa, lebih bagus. Kan menawarkan tadi tuh, reading or talk. Then you can use your speak on notes. You can speak on notes, like sambil lihat-lihat dikit nggak apa ya? Oke. Okay, this one. Oh, it's really good. How about yours? Thank you. How's your head? Yes, please. You can like stand up, right, when you are performing your dialect. So everyone, maybe this is one of our reference. Is it like Gempa Bumi?
Mbak, serius?
Iya, sebentar. Just sit down first. Sit down first. Udah ya? Udah? Oh ya, wis. Wis. Oke. Okay. Wait for my command. So everyone, please have a look at your friend's performance. And now, let's have a look at their structure. I mean, like, where is their fourth and Socratic, right? And the content of the dialogue is about what? So, you ready? Louder ya, berarti ya. Okay, in count of 3, now we can start. And this one is your dialogue, right? Okay. In 3, 2, 1, and action.
Good morning. What's your name?
How was your?
Oh, but yours? I'm good.
I'm pretty good.
Everything happened after season update yesterday.
From what I reviewed earlier, everything was fine, but it needs some time to be fully recovered.
As IT staff, how long did it take to fully recover?
Recovered.
4 days to be fully recovered.
To complete it.
How can we that take so long? What happened?
I have no idea. Maybe the issue happened because the hardware is not meet the minimum requirement.
Mine
But you can upgrade the hardware. So the recovery time it is not take too long.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. I'll try
Sure.
to discuss about the issue with my team.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate your time today. I'm looking forward to our next discussion.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Okay, nice. Okay, you may all sit. Again, first thing first, before we go to the structures, I really want you to be concerned again more in the pronunciations, right? It's everything, I guess, for me. The pronunciations. And then intonasi kemarin kita sudah coba ini ya, belajar intonasi misalnya good morning, how's your weekend, right? Kalau pertanyaan berarti di awalnya agak dinaikin dikit ya berarti. And Maruf, how do you pronounce this? The second one. I am what? How do you read that one? Can you read again? I'm pretty good. Oh, I'm pretty good. Bukan pretty good ya. How about yours? Okay. And Singgi says, I'm good. How's everything happened after system update yesterday? Okay. Where can we find that you have do some research from your dialogue? Di bagian mana researchingnya? Researchingnya ada di bagian? From? Oh. What? What? Oh yeah, from what I reviewed earlier, everything was fine, but it need sometimes. Don't forget with S, right? Everything was fine, but it needs sometimes to be fully recovered. Okay. Nah ini nih, pakai E atau this one? Is it supposed to be like? Okay. So it's supposed to be like the second one. But it needs ya. Is it like it's supposed to be what? Kalau untuk grammarnya berarti yang ini ya. It's supposed to be with S, right? Okay, but it needs kok sama ya? Terus sama yang IT-nya, is it an IT or IT? What do you think about it? Itu yang dari siapa ya? Kliennya siapa? Oke. SIT. Is it supposed to be with E or N? What do you think? Is it N or E? Yes, it's supposed to be. Why?
Because
E is pronounced with I, and I is the vowel sounds, right? Okay, and the second one? How long did it take? Nah ini nih, how long did it take? How long did it take? Kira-kira ada yang error nggak? How long did it take? Mana tadi? To fully recover. Oke. Dari ini ada satu nih. Yang mana yang error kira-kira? This. How long did? Ini berarti sebenarnya sudah bener ya, kayak berapa lama sih recoveringnya? Nah tapi ya ini harusnya tanpa S ya. It's supposed to be how long did it take to fully recover? Karena ini ada dua tenses nih, ini past tense, ini present tense. So we must only use one, right? Okay, and then how can be that takes so long? What happened? How could it be that takes so long? I have no idea. Okay, maybe that issue. Apa? That issue? Is it yours? Oh berarti kalau yang ini sudah bisa saya lihat. Could your team upgrade the hardware so the recovery times is not take too long? Okay, recovery time. Take apa tadi? It's not take too long. Okay. So where is the error one from this? Sorry? It's not take too long. This one, right? It's supposed to be apa? In English. Okay. So is itu harusnya jadi apa tuh? Recovery time. Yaitu adalah does. Kenapa does bukan is? Karena ada kata kerja take. When there is verb here, then you may not to use is ya, because this one is verb. Kalau is itu kan digunakan untuk adjective. Okay. But it's okay in speaking as long as the people understand ya. Tapi kalau untuk yang kliennya itu benar-benar dari native, biasanya dia agak sedikit kagok nih kalau misalnya ada beberapa kesalahan to be yang lumayan krusial. Kalau yang kayak kurang S itu mungkin bisa di ini ya. Tapi kalau yang kayak misalnya cukup grammarnya cukup dalam, kayak does, kayak an sama itu bisa mengganggu ini nih kadang. Apa sih namanya kalau dari POV native ya? Okay, but all the structure has been there, right? Have you got the professionals closing here? Okay, thank you. I appreciate your time. Sure. I will try to discuss about this issue. Okay. Looking for a shower. Okay, nice. All right, good. Okay. So you have got 4. No, 5 ya. Ada research, ada icebreaker, and then 4th. Kalau Socratic-nya yang mana tuh? Oke, how can yang tadi itu ya? How can? Oke, how can that? Okay, good. Alright. I will see again the analysis. Okay, anybody want to be the next? Sudah ada yang selesai? For the second performers, I guess. It's closing. What about 4th? As an IT staff, how long did it take to fully recover? Okay. All right then. Let's see first. Okay. Will it take much longer again? Will you take much longer again? No. Okay. Actually, because time's up, then we can practice it in our next meeting, but only in a half of our meeting because we're going to talk about something new in our next meeting, right? Yang tadinya kita sudah introduction, terus kayak bridging ke meeting. Nah, nanti kita masuk ke presentasi. How can we make a good presentation in a meeting? Oke? Kayak kita sudah belajar cara memperkenalkan diri, terus sudah belajar cara bridging sebelum kita mulai project dalam meeting kan. Nah, nanti pertemuan selanjutnya kita belajar bagaimana mempresentasikan dalam sebuah meeting. Oke, kayaknya masih sibuk dengan ini ya. Alright. As an IT staff, right? Is it as a IT staff or as an IT? Can you just like connect it when you are reading that one, right? Berarti as what tadi? As an IT staff, how long did it takes? How long did it take fully recovered? It may takes 4 days to complete it. Okay. Nah, ini I just want to know about your reading skills even closer, right? Can you read again for me, both of you, so I can know more your reading skills? Pertama dari Guda. Okay. Good morning. How was your weekend? I'm pretty good. How about yours? I'm good. How's everything happened after system update yesterday? Okay. You can hear me first and then you can repeat again, right? From what I reviewed earlier, everything was fine, but it needs sometimes to be fully recovered. Nah ini nih, as an IT staff, how long did it take fully recovered? How long it takes to fully recovered? It may take 4 days to complete it. How do you pronounce that one? Complete it, ya? Okay, and then is it your hand? No, your. Oh, bukan ya? Kayaknya berat tapi ternyata besi ya. How can be that take so long? What happened? I have no idea. May that issue happen because the hardware is not.
It's not good.
Ini saya belum lihat nih. Is not meet.
Minimum requirement.
Meet itu maksudnya kayak belum ini ya? Is it a verb?
Yeah.
So then you cannot use is, right? Because is, like I say, itu untuk yang bukan kata kerja. Kalau yang kata kerja kan berarti bukan is, tapi apa? Does not ya. The hardware does not meet the minimum requirement. Could your team upgrade the hardware? Could your team upgrade the hardware? Okay. So the recovery times, ini tadi apa? Does not take too long ya. Sure, sir. I'll try to discuss about this issue with my team. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate your time today. Looking forward to our next discussions. Oke, coba.
Yang ini gimana nih bacanya?
Yang mana?
Yang reviewed earlier.
What I reviewed earlier, everything was fine. Yang mana lagi kira-kira? Yang ini gimana nih? Tadi IT staff siapa? Oke.
Klien, kenapa? Klien.
Kau klien? Oh,
Iya makanya kan IT staff kan.
Oh, maksudnya ini, yang ini nih.
Oh,
Ma'ruf ya?
Iya, Ma'ruf.
Coba.
it may take 4 days to be complete.
completed.
Right?
Completed.
Ini harus nyata banget nih dibaca ya, karena kan tag ya.
Just to complete.
It may takes 4 days.
Oke. Can we start from here?
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your weekend?
How's your weekend?
I'm pretty good.
I'm pretty.
How about you?
I'm what?
I'm pretty good.
Okay, pretty good. Pretty good ya.
Really good.
How about yours?
I'm good. How's everything happen after system update
Yesterday.
From what I reviewed earlier, everything was fine, but it needs sometimes to be fully recovered.
Okay, good.
As an IT staff.
As an IT staff.
As an IT staff.
Yes.
How long did
It
it takes? Tadi yang dikorek ya?
ini yang exam. How long did
How long did it take to fully recover?
to fully recovered?
Recover.
Okay.
It may take 4 days to be completed.
Lah ini bener harus ada to be, tapi itu nggak ada.
Oh iya.
To be completed. Okay. How can be that
How can be that
take
take
so long?
so long?
What happened?
What happened?
What
I have no
happened?
idea. May that issue happen because the hardware is not meet.
Does not meet
does
the
not meet
minimum. Is it minimum, right? Minimum requirement.
Could you team upgrade the hardware? So
The recovery.
the recovery times it's not take too long.
It's supposed to be like the recovery time, right? Because it's not the right. So the recovery.
So
The recovery itu R ya berarti ya? Ya, the recovery
so the recovery times is not
does not take too long.
So the recovery time does not take too long.
Okay. Sure.
Sure, sir. I'll try to discuss about this issue with my team.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate your time today.
Okay.
Looking forward to our next discussion.
I appreciate
I appreciate
your time today.
I appreciate your time today.
Looking forward to our next discussions.
Looking
Okay.
forward to our next discussion.
You're welcome. Have a
You're
nice
welcome.
day.
Yes, nice. All right. So you are free from this one, right? Okay, everyone, because time's up, maybe you can upload the dialogue into GCR and then next meeting we are going to practice it. Like, oke, sudah ya. Oke, sudah 3. Roy pick, I guess. Father is not there. Oh, belum, udah atau under process, I guess, right? Okay. Where is it? This one. Okay, this one. I'll take that here. Okay, everyone, that's all I guess for now. Thank you very much for your attention. Do you have any questions? No. So don't forget next meeting. Sorry? No more questions, right?
Katanya next meeting tuh next pertemuan bakal tentang meeting gitu ya?
Yeah, actually, if it is possible, we are going to talk about how to present our presentations professionally, right? In English. Setelah kita sudah bisa memperkenalkan diri, terus kayak sudah bridging untuk masuk ke meeting, baru setelahnya itu kita belajar how to have a meeting with the client, right? Of course, by presenting first, right? And no more questions. Is there any more questions? No. Yes, Mas Dede, you want to ask the questions? No. So if you don't have any more questions, that's all. Thank you again for your attention. And at last, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye, everyone. See you next week. Yes, thank you. All right.